Hi, it's Andy Busch, economist, and moving my clients from chaos to confidence in the car again after my trip up to Minnesota and talking to CHS, which is one of the largest co-op groups in the country. But I'm back in Chicago, and we got some really good economic news, didn't we? A lot better than expected non-farm payroll, and the jobless rate fell to 50-year lows. This is what I was talking about on Wednesday, and it also reinforces what I talked about earlier in the week, that there is no chance right now that we're going to slip into a recession. It's really hard to do it when you have people that are employed, and that's such a good thing for the country. It's such a good thing for increasing wages as well, which is what we saw. Now, the thing that it's not good for, and here's a little bit of twist to these numbers that we got out today, it's not really good for the trade negotiations that are going on between the United States and, of course, China. And the reason why I say that is because as the U.S. economy remains very firm and we don't have a slowdown or a dramatic slowdown, the president will likely feel a little more emboldened to negotiate more strongly with the Chinese as far as getting what he wants. And so I think we have to start thinking about whether or not we're going to get a trade deal, and what kind of trade deal, even if we did get one, what would that look like? So the phase one deal that you're hearing a lot about and the potential that's been out there, I'm not sure it's going to happen this year. I know Christmas is right around the corner, but I would not expect a present from the U.S.-China trade negotiations. So please keep that in mind. Also, you're not going to get a present if you're the president from the impeachment proceedings. I sadly had to listen to a lot of the initial discussions from the four lawyers and law professors talking about what was going on, whether it was legal, whether high crimes and misdemeanors and bribery and the case that was being brought against the president was of sound legal footing. And I just want to remind everybody that may be the case, but this is not a legal proceeding. This is a political proceeding. Why do I say that? Because politicians are running it. So by definition, it's political. Just that alone, you should keep that in mind. So whatever happens, my guess is that we'll see the president impeached. It's likely that this will happen by the end of the year, so that'll be good. Hopefully maybe a Christmas present, get it over before Christmas, and then it'll be done. But I don't expect it to have a major impact on the financial markets. And that's probably the best news I can give you. Okay, you can get all my research at andrewbusch.com. I'm Andy Busch, economist, and hopefully moving you a little bit from the chaos that's occurring to a little more confidence of what's going on in the markets and in the economy.